Assalamu alaikum. Managing over 50 websites and not knowing which marketing channel brings in your best leads is a major problem. You see the leads, but you cannot see the revenue. Without proper attribution, you might be scaling the wrong channels and wasting your marketing budget. The solution is a unified tracking ecosystem. I engineer data precision to connect your entire marketing journey to your actual sales. By implementing GA4, server-side tag manager, and CRM integrations, we track every form and call back to its original marketing source. This gives you 99% data accuracy. You will know exactly which websites generate the most profitable jobs for your business. The benefit is clear: measure, optimize, and scale. You turn messy data into actionable insights to grow your contracting business. Alhamdulillah, I have helped many businesses achieve this level of tracking. If you need this help, please message me on WhatsApp. All my contact information is in the video description and the pinned comment. Let's build your tracking system today.